Hello guys, and yeah, the last of the debuts for Hololive Advent. It's called Who Let the Dogs Out? Okay, that's a funny little debut title. Really looking forward to this one. I've had in the past, like with Himehina and the Omega Sisters, like some of my, back in the day, some of my favorite VTubers. And they were, sister or twin VTubers. We'll see how these girls are. How will they... Hopefully they're good. Because I will say that so far, what I've seen from the debuts from Holo Advent has been like pretty okay. Or even positive, so far. Oh yeah, also, before I do that. The painting for this time is, I'm going to do some shading on this Sentinel. Yeah, let's go into it. Oh yeah, we'll start off with the lore video.
A tale of two tales is about to unfold.
Okay, Tale of Two Tales.
In fact, mischief was made. Humankind could no longer take their twin
Alright, they were like, you know what, dogs?
shackling them for eternity.
Go guard the people in the jail. And that is basically their imprisonment.
But instead, they now really a punishment if you're still having fun.
Yes, I would say so. Because it's the lack of freedom. What? Okay, she's barking. Got it.
Calm down. You don't need to bark so much, okay? But is it okay to trust them? I'm not so sure.
I mean, I want your tails, or I don't want to touch your tails. So I would say no. It's not okay. At least not for now.
I should bark.
Like, for your own good. For me, please trust.
No, Bobo. No, Bobo. Well, then they'll smell good, right? Right.
Oh. Yeah, well, I did take a shower today, so...
Get ready.
But I also have slept.
Not great, but good, I guess.
Okay. I do my best.
I think we can call them smell, trustworthy. Smell trustworthy? You smell trustworthy. Yeah, we can trust them. Right? Coco-chan? Would you like that? Would you like to learn more about us? Because, I don't know, they only smell sort of okay.
No, I like this sister interaction you're doing.
Let's introduce ourselves. Bobo! First, it's me! I'm the older sister. My name is
FUWAMOCO.
Aviscard. You might think it's a bit
Okay, it sounds like they say Aviscard,
me.
but...
I'm kind of silly, I'm kind of fluffy, and that's why I'm FUWAMOCO. Makes sense. Yeah, that's why I'm the fluffy one.
And I don't mind the type of voice they're doing. It's cute.
We're still just puppies. Yeah. When it comes to demon dogs, age really doesn't matter. So, to be honest, we're really not too sure how old we are. Doesn't matter.
You know, we're dogs.
Well, at least we thought
It's not something we think about.
Yeah. That way we'd be closer to you. You humans' age, you know? Yeah. And maybe that way it's a bit easier for you to understand. Yeah, you don't have to do math this way. Yeah. Nobody likes math. No math. Yeah. It's better like that, right?
Yeah, so it's just like legal. That's good enough.
As for nickname, I don't have one. I guess I don't really know how I feel about Fuwa-chan.
Fuwa-chan.
I
think Fuwawa is your name.
If you'd like, please come up with one for me, okay?
Like Wawa?
Listen here, okay? Wawa nickname cannot be Wawa.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
good nickname, but it's not for Huwawa. I think that one's already taken too, okay? So, that is rejected.
Shit.
Find something else, okay? Something good. It doesn't have to be right away, but... well, Huwawa is just fine too. Yeah, so that's what I call her. No pressure.
You're like, yeah, my original name
Coco-chan,
is good enough.
did you want to learn about me? We have to learn about you. Well, it's me. I'm Mokoko.
And well, we can't call you Coco.
Aviscard, not Aviscard. Got it. Same with Mokoko. Not Mokoko.
Mokoko.
Not Fuwawa. Fuwawa. Yeah. Obviously. Understood?
Got it.
Yeah. Bobo. Bobo. My nickname is Moko-chan. And only Moko-chan.
Only
Can't call me
Moko-chan.
anything else. It's Mokoko or Moko-chan.
20.
No funny business. No.
2,000 years old. Alright.
And I guess I've seen a lot of you maybe have noticed, but Flo and I were really similar, right? Right, just a bit.
Yeah. In all
I guess,
areas.
we can't just be introducing ourselves all stiff like, I'm Fuwawa Abiskoy. I'm Mokoko Abiskoy. It's nice to meet you. Yeah, it's boring. Right?
Yeah, it's like a little bit more about your
How many
individuality.
suggestions? I don't know. Like, Fuwawa desu, wa 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 wa. Mokoko desu, koko koko. Fuwamoko desu, ba 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 ba.
Okay, I guess this is what we're gonna get. We're gonna get a lot of cute noises from them.
Yeah. Well, you're kind of fluffy like a chihuahua, right? Like a chihuahua?
A chihuahua?
Oh, I'm
Well, I guess
I'm
all
a
fluffy
Pomeranian.
variants of chihuahuas, right?
Pomeranian? I'm not a Pomeranian. I'm a lot stronger than that. What about... I'm not a chihuahua. I'm Fuwawa. That's good, I
Perfect.
guess. What about it? I'm not a Pomeranian. I'm Mokoko. No.
It doesn't
I tried.
flow as good.
Well, sometimes people have a hard time telling us apart. So what about I'm not Fuwawa?
Oh,
I guess.
they do?
Okay. I'm not Fuwawa. I'm Mokoko. That's good. Like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. I'm not a chihuahua. I'm Fuwawa. I'm not Fuwawa. I'm Mokoko. Together.
That actually works.
FUWAMOCO!
Alright, yeah, that's something they really thought about.
Oh, that felt good. That felt good. Do you agree with that? Good introduction.
Yes,
Cute. Ball.
I do.
Does that mean it's good? Thank you, I guess. Well, I guess back to more about us. We have some
And I also like the dynamic they have with her being a bit more like a sure, I guess. You know,
Do you know what natto
a bit
is?
more, I guess, flippant.
Natto
Would that
is
be the
fermented
word?
soybeans, but I
Towards
eat
the
natto
viewer.
every morning because it's really good for you. You should eat it too.
Pillows, Japanese sweets, matcha, natto, and cute
I don't have
girls.
just natto. I like mixing it.
I've
with
never had
banana
natto.
and seaweed.
I don't like matcha.
Sort of like
I like
soup,
pillows.
you know? And then I just eat it straight
And
like that.
Japanese sweets, well,
Somehow.
it depends on the sweet.
Moko-chan thinks I'm kind of crazy, but no, it gets easier to eat and yummier every day. Natto, it's sort of smelly, but then when you put the vinegar in with it, it gets very different. So very different. And I can't eat natto, but I want to so that I can become a big, strong guard dog too.
Yeah, I mean, natto is very healthy.
Some of my dislikes,
Is it B12? No, it's vitamin.
kind of funny. A pizza too.
Is it
I'm so
K2?
either of those.
That it has like a fuck ton
I'm
of.
so nervous. I don't like pizza. So nervous.
I think it's
Is it
K2.
okay? Will you still like me if I don't like pizza? We'll go mushroom foraging. Yeah. We can eat the mushrooms. Yeah. You can have the pizza. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Let's not make a pizza with the mushrooms.
Oh, alright.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
It is okay.
Now, Mokoko time! I did my best to keep my
I
list
mean, not
short,
liking
but
pizza is probably a good
there's actually
thing.
a lot more things that I wanted to add to the dislikes. But it's not that long, right? It's good. It's good. But as you know, as you
Blankets,
can
underground
see,
idol.
I'm a
They're
big,
cool.
tough guard dog. But,
Black licorice. I love black licorice.
but
Specifically
I'm
salty.
actually really not good with horror games and scary things. It makes my tummy hurt, but I'll do my best to be strong, okay? Let's do our best.
Like guard dogs.
It'll
Don't
be
like
my
scary things.
guard dog training, okay?
Well, I guess the things that they were,
I guess I talked a lot about my
guarding
difference.
weren't scary.
Here are the things that we like.
We've seen the other Advent
together.
girls.
Yeah, you know, twins. There's a lot of similarities, and there's also a lot of things that we both really like together.
Cold toes.
These are
I do not know what Isike means.
big legs.
Okay, so this is what both of them like.
I guess
Got it.
You have to allow it. You have to. And next.
I will allow it. I want to hear you guys sing.
dancing.
Wonder if you're gonna keep up
I'm not the best. Moko-chan,
the
you're
accent
good.
or
I'm not that great, but I like that. Both of our dancing is a bit different, so you can sort of feel our personalities. Right. Even though we're twins, there are differences.
and also I mean if you
You're
have
learning that now, right?
certain counterweights, let's say,
Lots of learnings today.
probably makes
And next,
certain
we
dancing
really love.
seem a bit different.
Do you know them? Do you know them?
Nope.
Really, really yummy stretchy donuts. That are fluffy and
Wow.
fuzzy. Yeah. At the same time. At the same time. They're so delicious.
Never have a pondering, so
We really love.
maybe they are better than donuts.
Very important rules.
Alright, what are the
You gotta
important
pay
rules?
attention, right?
Like no biting?
Do not touch.
What? Not even the ears?
Do not touch the tail. Yeah. Don't touch the fluff. Don't touch the fuzz.
Oh man, I don't know if I can agree to these rules.
Our tails are off limits. Our ears too. You know they're sensitive. Only that special person, just for you, is allowed to. Sisters don't touch each other's tails either. It's not allowed. Not allowed. Understand?
Alright.
Understand? Understood. Okay. Yeah. Happy. Of course. Also.
I can see that the people in chat are like me, like, oh god, that's too much to ask.
It's also really good to be passionate about passion, right? Heck fire. Yeah. I really love visual novels. You might not have heard of it before, but my favorite one is very close to
Yes, School Days and Yosuga no Sora. I saw that, like, wait, what?
It's not an English,
Alright.
so you probably never played it, but it was a groundbreaking classic.
I mean, I like School Days,
I really, really, really want to thank the
but when I like, oh, Yosuga no Sora, that's interesting.
Maybe you should be thanking Peril for we spent a lot of time.
Yeah, Zero no Tsukaima,
I've watched a lot of
it's
bad
okay.
and good anime. But I'm always looking for recommendations.
Kimono
Let me
Friends,
know, okay? I
amazing.
might have seen it, but I might have not. And music is also really, really important to me.
And the others I
and
actually
almost
don't recognize.
only listen
Well, I would
to
guess
Japanese music.
the first season
You don't
of
know
Kimono
the
Friends
yes,
is amazing.
I love finding a new song that's just the perfect thing for me. I also really, really like Dempa songs. But good music is good music. Yeah.
True.
I think that's all for us.
Oh, alright. What's happening here?
First up is Hill. You can look, but don't touch. I'm really envious of its healthy sign. And her socks? Very cute. And then the fashionable jacket and super cute dress.
And some two
You're not looking that
jiggle
way, right?
things.
Don't look so much, okay? You're closing your eyes, right? What do you mean? It's okay. Now look what you've done. She's mad. You're closing your eyes, right? I guess you are. You're forgiven now, okay? Happy Wawa! It's not that hard to keep us happy, okay?
Okay. The transitions are a bit like jarring.
It wasn't that bad. Yeah. Moko-chan, you ready? I don't know.
I guess these has to go a bit faster because I mean 45 minutes
Don't look too close, okay?
and it's two people,
You like
so
this one too now, right? You know.
it's gonna go
It's your turn.
extra fast.
It's only gonna happen this once. So remember it well, okay? Okay.
Alright. But I do hope that in future maybe they'll do some solo streams
Just like mine because we're twins. But Moko-chan, she has two.
as well.
I lost one of mine somewhere, but it's okay. That just makes us a little.
I do
bit
think in the
different.
beginning you really want to hit home
Moko-chan's cute tail.
with the...
Here it is. It's not as fluffy as mine, but that's because it's fuzzy.
Oh yeah, you know, you're the fluffy one and she's the fuzzy.
Don't let her use them. Don't give her a reason, okay? Yeah, I won't use them if I don't have a reason. Yeah, especially when you're looking at her tummy. I know that you might want to touch the tummy. Don't look that much, but
I mean, you did
Remember the
say
claws.
the ears and the tail. You said nothing about the tummy
claws
though.
will come out if I need to use them.
So,
What's gonna happen if you touch the tummy? Can you guess? Can you guess what's gonna happen if you touch the tummy? Moko-chan, she might get a bit emotional. No? Oh no. Oh no, it started.
She sounds more
Moko-chan, it's okay.
tired to me.
It's okay. We're not gonna touch the tummy, okay? We're not gonna touch the tummy. Yeah. Right? Right? Yeah.
And that made her happy.
Do you think you're ready for it? I don't know. I don't think I'm ready yet. Are you ready for something big?
Well, depends how big. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the goals.
And dreams.
Perform on stage. 1 million
This is what we want to
subscribers.
do as members of
Good
Hololive.
therapy
We're very,
dogs.
very hungry puppies. Very hungry. Big appetite.
Release a
Yeah,
physical
but-
CD. Dina manga. Protect your smile.
But we're gonna do
Hologram.
everything we can to make it happen.
Alright.
As long as you
Probably have to pause that and
I
read.
think the helping paw might be able to be possible, right? Possible. Possible. This way we can see nice and close.
I wonder, are they gonna go through all of them? Or
is there anything
that's a
you
lot.
wanna see? Wrestling.
have a wrestling battle
Singing and dancing.
and come out top dog?
Big dream of ours. Big dream. So we hope that you'll be there cheering us on.
I don't know if you can defeat, you
No
know,
way about seeing everything
Subaru.
right now, but we'll post it on Twitter later, so then you can hug all the Advent members. What if some of them already hugged us?
Oh.
言ってていいのかなこれ。いいと思う。大丈夫？大丈夫。ヌーサ is it okay?
Well, you've already
いいよ。
told us that it's Narisa have hugged.
So,
If you ask her, is it okay?
she hugged me because I was sort of cold. Moko-chan was like, oh, I'm cold. And you know what? It was really weird because her heart was beating so fast. Really embarrassing.
Well, she's a bird.
Not for me, just for her.
And their hearts,
Yeah. You know.
if I remember correctly, do beat very fast. I think the smaller the
Yeah,
animal,
it's normal, you know.
faster the heart.
Nothing special.
Tends to be the case. It's obviously not a rule, I think.
Well, let's look at some more. Dreams and goals. Run a maid cafe for a day. Yeah. As it maid cafe too. Debut a 3D body. Be in a video game.
I mean, I'm pretty sure sooner or later that will happen.
Birds. The scary birds. I'd also like to try ASMR with Anna-senpai. Yeah. I know you said on Twitter that you wanted ASMR, but we've never really done ASMR,
I
so.
have much experience, so
But we'll wait quiet.
I mean, one of you in each ear could be fun.
there's lots of advice.
They'll have to. There's no choice.
I'm not trying to put pressure or anything on them, but
No pressure.
it'd be nice.
If they don't help us, they're not nice. Is that what you're saying?
No. They're just busy, you know. Senpai are very busy, so.
Everyone's very, very kind.
Well, actually, I saw something that reminded me. But I think we also have something very important to share with them all.
And what is that?
Do you want to share it?
I do.
So it's why I said it. It's why I mentioned it. Because I want to say it.
Did you want to see it? If they're not excited, then we don't even know if we can really trust them.
They're confused.
Yeah.
And we really, really wanted you to remember us
Remember us?
properly.
Yeah. I'm
Alright.
not. I'm not who I'm not who.
Okay, well, you guys mixing up who you are.
Yeah, you have to remember. I'm gonna listen closely and remember too. Okay.
It's a listen kind of thing.
Okay.
Well, here we go now.
Boom, boom.
Okay, what is this? Okay, we're getting a song. And also, I guess, giving us a little bit of like about the singing. Okay, seems like they're not. Alright, nice. Protect the smile. Bow bow. So already a original song. Well, it will help me now. I know that Fuwawa is the one with the small breasts.
It's important. You'll accept my present, right? Ah, will you accept Moko-chan's present?
Depends on the present. Well, I'll accept it. But
Here we go.
how I react to it, we'll see.
You are the
Oh, ruffians. Alright, that's a good fan name.
Right now. Bow. Yeah. Because you're a ruffian now. Yeah.
Alright, well, I don't know if I'm a ruffian yet. But I'll do a bow bow right now. Bow bow.
Any questions or suggestions or requests?
Right, they actually have a lot of hashtag FUWAMOCO morning. So they're gonna do a morning show?
What could that be? That's a secret. Did you want to know what we have planned for the rest of the week?
Yes. My guess is that one of them will be a Left 4 Dead 2 stream, maybe. That's my prediction.
Our schedule!
I was right. And then Fox? Is that the
Very first thing is FUWAMOCO
Is that the dog game?
Only a few hours from now. I didn't do the math, so you might have to. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they are doing a morning show. Okay, that's pretty cute. Good.
So, FUWAMOCO Morning is a special live program we do on Friday, Wednesday, and Monday, also known as FUWAMOCO.
Alright, 3 times a week.
Friday, Wednesday, Monday. Yeah, we'll forgive the days of the week.
Yeah, I'll check them out. If there are anything like the early Asakoko, like Asakoko Live, then that could be fun.
So you have to come and watch.
Yeah, because I do like the early ones. I do think they show depth later on, but the first one I still go back to watch them from time to time. Alright, even the questions in Japanese is RK2.
We want to protect your smile!
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, your smile. We can protect
That is okay, please do.
as your demonic guard dogs. To you. Us to you.
Oh, pledge of loyalty.
I, Hua Abisquai, pledge my loyalty to protect the smile of the ruffian.
Alright.
Mokoko Abisquai, pledge my loyalty to protect the smile of the ruffian. On wet rainy days, during the dog days of summer, no matter the weather,
The
I will
dog
be there
days.
to brighten your day and warm your heart. I will be there to brighten your day and warm your heart.
I think it would have been better like on the dark days of winter instead of the dark days of winter. I guess it's instead during the warm days of
I will
summer.
continue to wag my tail by your side.
It's a bit clunky, but I get this. I get the point.
You're a ruffian now. You're a ruffian. Yeah. Bow.
Bow bow.
Make sure you play with us every day, okay? I want together with you. Got it. Bow.
Sure.
I want to hear your bow. Bow. Got it. Bow.
Bow bow, bow bow, bow bow.
Bow. It's bow. Yeah.
Okay, I don't think I have the energy for that much bow bow. I only have so many in me. Bow bow. That was cute. Pretty intense. Still, I mean, I am comparing it to the early Omega Sisters that I have...
I forgot about the video. We have to make sure...
Make sure to watch the video. And what timing that stream ended. Basically when I'm done with the shading, unless I've missed some place, but the places I wanted to shade this stream, like that I finished painting, I think I did it. Holy shit. That's amazing. The only places I haven't done anything with shaded are the unpainted parts. Yeah, it's like it was fate. It was a pretty okay stream. I will say it felt less stressful than the Nerissa one. Somehow. Nerissa one felt like, even though it was all alone for her, it felt more rushed than this one. And yeah, weirdly enough. Even though I do like the Nerissa debut as well. But I think this one is the second best. I still think Koseki had the best. But these guys did have an original song, which was pretty cute. And them doing the pledge to protect the smiles. Also pretty cute. And the schedule, like, it seems like there's gonna be a lot of streams. In the beginning, at least. And I think these also have the highest that I probably want to watch. I want to watch at least the first 3 FUWAMOCO. I'll give them 3 tries. And then the Advent collab, so that's 4. And then Rock and Roar Party, with obviously a karaoke. So that's 5. And then Donkey Kong Country, hell yeah. You know, especially with them playing together, I think that would be super fun. And there seems to be, either that means that they're not having a stream. No, it means that there's like a mystery stream right here on Sunday, right? Yes. So I wonder what that's gonna be. And I mean, I think they are the cutest. And I do think the voice that they have is also, I mean, it didn't annoy me at all, this whole thing. I like the little tick that they have with the bows. And, you know, the kayfabe that's happening here. I like it. Maybe these will be some good English sisters VTubers. I mean, I have to wait and see how the actual streaming goes. Yeah, I have high hopes at the moment.